Canadian-born André Mercanzini is 34. He's completed his PhD in bioengineering at the Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne, the EPFL. He then stayed on campus, where he founded a startup.
Je me souviens, j'étais dans une cafétéria.
I remember I was in a cafe with the surgeon co-founder of the firm and my thesis director when we decided to go for it.
Directeur de thèse, et on a décidé que c'était le bon moment.
In a special lab at the EPFL, Mercanzini developed a film microelectrode, thinner than a hair, which can be implanted in the brain for deep stimulation.
L'électrode va entrer.
This nozzle goes into the skull, and when it reaches its destination, it releases the electrode.
Et là, on va voir qu'il sort de l'autre côté le canule.
The results are quite spectacular. At Burns Insel Hospital, the device is tested on a patient with Parkinson's. When the surgeon sends an electrical impulse, the patient stops shaking. Before the operation, the patient was disabled. After surgery, thanks to the brain implant, he's doing fine. Those who invested 14 million Swiss francs in the startup are also satisfied.
Le moment on a vraiment signé ce contrat.
After signing the contract, it took me a few days to realize I wasn't dreaming.
Me rendre compte que je rêvais pas.
Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, dementia, addiction, depression, and other psychiatric disorders located in the brain could all be treated with the brain implant, a potentially huge market.
Cette modulation par courant électrique de différentes activités du cerveau.
The brain's activity modulated by electric signals. It's the new El Dorado. What's missing is a precise map of the brain and the zones to be targeted for different illnesses.
More precise mapping of the brain and its functions is one of the main goals of the European Union-funded Human Brain Project.
If we put electrodes into the wrong part of the brain, instead of blocking the shakes in a Parkinson's patient, we could trigger serious depression.
Despite his decades of experience, Professor Fakowiak, the head of neurology at the University Hospital of Lausanne, knows how difficult it is to understand the brain.
Even in the best hospitals in the world, when a patient is diagnosed with Alzheimer's, in 40% of cases that diagnosis is wrong. Almost 1 in 2.
The Human Brain Project aims to reduce this kind of error. And following the model of Oliva Neurotherapeutics, more startups could follow.
Je crois que le Human Brain Project va.
I think the Human Brain Project is going to create a huge foundation of information on which new technology can be built.
On peut développer des nouvelles technologies.
So are startups going to boom in Lausanne?
No doubt, and not just in Lausanne, but also around other universities which are part of the project.
Is a new Brain Valley being created this way, modeled on Silicon Valley?
It's no exaggeration. If we put Geneva and Lausanne together and add Grenoble and Lyon, it's amazing. The man on the moon was nothing compared to the advancement in information and technology science we're experiencing now.